Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to get the voice changer on TikTok. This is going to be real quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. From the home screen of your TikTok, tap on the plus icon on the bottom and then simply open up the video that you want to add in the voice changer. After you select the video, now what you can do is tap on the audio editing on the right panel right here. And after you do that, you can see all of the different voices that you can add. Pick the one that you want and tap on it, and the voice will download and it will be applied automatically. So I do not have any voice on this one, but if you have, yours will be changed as soon as it will be applied. You can do the same for any other voice that you want. Tap on save on the top right, and there you go. That's how exactly you can get the voice changer on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, also turn on the notifications. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.